Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So just a really quick update. We have a public holiday in Victoria for the 12th of June coming up on Monday. It's supposed to be the King's birthday. That's a load of rubbish. It's the Queen's birthday because it's celebration of Queen Victoria's birthday. So I'm refusing to call it the King's birthday. So Queen's birthday public holiday on Monday the 12th. We will be closed. The phone lines will be shut down. The website will still be available, so you'll still be able to make all those purchases that you're wanting to make on Monday. But they will not be processed till Tuesday. So bear in mind that payments will probably be a little bit slower coming into us, so there'll be a little bit of backlog there and may not be processed till Tuesday or Wednesday. You're going to find our shipping go out a little bit slower because there'll be no picks made on the Monday. That will be the Tuesday, and so shipping will be delayed. We always find that one public holiday causes 3 or 4 days delay, whether it's on our end or whether it's on the bulk of, like the amount of product that's going through the couriers, so it slows down at their end. But placing any orders over the next few days, just bear in mind, it might take an extra day or two before it reaches you at your end. So hope you have a long weekend. It's opening weekend for the snow down here as well. So if you're heading out that way, stay safe and have a ball. We'll talk again after the public holiday.